Hi folks, I'm Dave. I'm with AirSpool, and I'm going to show you just how easy it is to run an AirSpool 12,000 BTU solar powered heat pump entirely off of solar. Okay, you'll notice this is the plug. This is if we were going to plug it in for backup of grid power, but in fact right now we're going to plug in the panels and have it be entirely off of solar. So these are MC4 connectors, and that's it. Okay, so right now the unit's plugged in to solar, to these 4 solar panels yonder. But is it plugged into the grid? No. Are any batteries attached to it? No. Is there any other type of voltage converter, inverter, controller? No. Okay, so here now we're going to turn the unit on. You hear it click on. And now we'll go downstairs and see how we do. Plenty of sun here. You can see the shadows are getting long. Getting to be late in the day since it's February, so not 100% solar, but let's see what we can do. And here's the inside unit. You'll see this indicator showing that it is running off of solar. Set to 24 degrees Celsius, so that's around 72 degrees Fahrenheit. We still need heat this time of year, so it is a heat pump. Does both heating and air conditioning. And the coil, already it's 80 some degrees, so that'll heat up. This time of day probably about to 100 degrees, midday about 132 degrees. So not bad off of 4 panels. Thanks for your time.